Hi, my name is Mai D, and I live in Oakland, but I'm originally from Simi Valley, California.
So the parental notification initiative, like, how do you feel about that? How do you feel like it's going to impact young people?
I think bottom line, I'm not okay with restricting access to reproductive health services or health services in general, especially for minors. So I feel adamantly against having a parental notification initiative. I think it will prevent a lot of young people from accessing services that they need. I know for me as a young person, I accessed reproductive health services without parental notification, and that was a huge thing for me. That was a really big thing that I needed to do because at that time in my life my family was in a place where I could get parental notification. Things around like sex and sexuality weren't things that my family talked about. Both my parents are immigrants, and I actually never got like a sex talk, and I don't think I was adequately informed about sex even through like public education. So being able to, I think it was difficult enough to just like find out about things on my own. I think some may argue that requiring parental notification would make supportive networks for young people, but I don't think that's the solution. I don't think that's the way to go about creating supportive networks for young people.
How do you feel like we can build strong families with young people around sex and around their bodies?
I think it's more than just addressing like sex and sexuality with young people. I think it's about educating families and parents, and not just framing it around sex and sexuality, but also especially for immigrant families, talking about cultural differences and in reality, I think it means also making sure that families have their basic needs met and access to healthcare, and because I think a lot of the things that prevent us from talking about sex and sexuality and allowing us to be open about sex and sexuality are our family struggles and